In front of me is ZTE Blade V50, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Start by clicking on Theme section at the top, and if you can't find it, clicking on those three dots and accessing it over here. Now, to change your keyboard's theme, scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available options. After locating the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And last but not least, hit Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, you need to access the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and click on Apply. As you can see, this time theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!